Vegetables here. You can see I have some chicken, frozen chicken. I have a bouillon cube, some rice, and the rest of the spices I have soy sauce, seaweed seasoning, ginger. I have white pepper and sesame oil. I also have some lemon juice. So if you like lemon juice, you can put that on afterwards. That's what I'm gonna do. So let's get started. Do a quick stir fry because this is literally the fastest meal that I can make. And I've been trying to beat my time, so here we go. I'm gonna put a bouillon in there, and I'm just gonna put enough water just to get these vegetables cooked. And the vegetables take just as long as the meat, and the meat's gonna take approximately 5 minutes in the microwave. The rice is only gonna take like, it'll probably only take like, it says 1 minute, it'll probably only take like maybe 3, you know, so go ahead, get your water in there. I thought I was gonna be able to chop these cuts. These don't, you gotta thaw them out before, so that's, yeah, that's a bust. And this, vegetables, I'm gonna season these. So here's how it goes. I put the seaweed seasoning. This is white pepper. I'm gonna put some white pepper, and you guys can just add however much you like in there. The white pepper is a little bit tangy, spicy, whatever you want to call it. Here's some ginger. All right, that's good. And of course, sesame oil. As you can see, I have everything in here, and I'm just gonna give it a quick stir. And oh, you can see how it already formed an icicle into an icicle. All right, so it's already got like flavors and stuff. It's already flavored. And the meat, I'm not gonna do nothing to. So here goes the soy sauce. This literally took 2 minutes in the microwave. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes. I put everything in the microwave. I think the rice is done. I have not opened it yet, but I think the rice is ready, but everything else still is a little bit not cooked. So I'm just gonna chop up the chicken, mix everything together, and continue cooking it in the microwave. So like I said, it's only 2 minutes in the microwave. Pull it out, stir the veggies, I guess, you know, stir the rice, whatever you're gonna do. But I'm chopping up the chicken right now. And then, like I said, everything's gonna be mixed together. If you don't want to mix them, you can just add the chicken to the bowl, and serve your rice separate. I usually do that, like when I'm cooking. I usually don't mix my rice. Some people add the rice after they fried an egg on it. So, you know, if you want to fry an egg on your rice, you can go ahead and do that. And so I gave these another 2 minutes in the microwave, and they're looking good. They look really good. So I'm not going to mix in the rice after all, but I'm just going to give them 1 more minute because okay, so here's what the rice looks like when it's finished. So I'm just gonna break it up. Alright, and I'm gonna add some vegetables and chicken. And some of the sauce. That looks good, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna add, before I eat, I usually add like soy sauce. I'll go ahead and show you how what I do before I eat. This isn't garnish, this is just for added flavor. So that's soy sauce, right? You can see the soy sauce, and I also add lemon juice or lime juice, whatever I have on hand.